Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about drones and what they're saying. It says gang members are reportedly using drones to monitor the movement of their rivals, and law enforcement determined that the enhanced security measures across the island will not impede their criminal intent. Determined that the enhanced security measures across the island will not impede their criminal intent. Sunday Gleaner sources within the Jamaica Constabulary Force disclosed that the revelation was made in a comprehensive investigation carried out by the National Intelligence Bureau last year. The details of the research were recently revealed. The study examined the effectiveness of the numerous zones of special operations and limited states of emergency implemented in several police divisions last year, when the island recorded more than 1,287 murders. The report noted that gangsters in the section of West Kingston, where Azoso has been underway since October 2017, have been finding ways to elude security forces. With globalization and the increase in technology, gangs have become more sophisticated in monitoring police activities as well as their rivals. By utilizing drones, read the report which was completed earlier this year. This gives these gangs an advantage in accessing the whereabouts of rivals to launch attacks, as well as to create a safe passage during police operations. Drones were being used by members of the Tivoli Young Generation gang in the limited state of public emergency to monitor the movement of the security forces. It continued. Additionally, they were used by criminal gangs in Flankers and Farm or Effortville communities in St. James and Clarendon divisions, respectively. The report identified increased technology, familiarity of terrain, and local international funding, and the stewardship of gangs by incarcerated leaders among the major threats to gang control efforts locally. So they are basically saying that the criminal organizations in Jamaica are using the drones to spy on criminals and spy on the police force. And if these findings were from a year ago, I would love to know what the Jamaican government and what JCF is doing to combat that. Are they flying their own drones to look where these criminals are and what are they doing? Or they're just sitting on their butt not doing anything? And I also want to read some of the comments, and it says, why the police never come up with this idea first? No one shoot them out of the sky. Regular citizens shouldn't be owning no drones either. Or just open up the country to anything when these things are allowed. If you don't work with the news or whether our law enforcement logical use, you shouldn't own a drone. I'm sorry, but if you do photography, or if you're a vlogger or YouTuber, a drone is a nice gadget to have. So I don't quite agree with regular citizens are supposed to have drones. Other countries allow regular citizens to have it, but I understand that Jamaica is smaller and they need more stiffer laws as to where you can fly, when you can fly. You can fight around over police stations, you can fight out over schools, stuff like that I can understand, but to completely take away the citizens' rights to having a drone is kind of absurd to me, especially if you work in a field where having a drone is necessary. Somebody says criminal showing them how to use technology. Somebody said been happening for some time now. The criminal mind has evolved, and our efforts to curtail crime and deter criminals acts must always be 10 steps ahead, or else what we are witnessing now will become the new Jamaica. Agreed. I agreed. All them need to do is implement a license system for drone users. Basically need a plane license to fly the drone. Then you would have records of all the drone users and illegal use of drones. People go to jail or get fined. I agree with that. Not shocked. Criminals have more firepower and seem to be more smarter than the police. The police force has not evolved, but the criminals have. You gotta fight crime like it's 2019, not 1975. And I completely agree. And on that note, I'm gonna end this video. What are your thoughts? Do you think that Jamaica needs to implement some stiffer rules, no pun intended, as far as drones are concerned? You think that they need to have like a database of drone users and who can and cannot use a drone? For example, people that was linked to criminal gangs or have a felony or been to jail. What do you guys think should be implemented so that these criminal organizations can't be able to use drones and use them in a way to increase crime? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.